Structure Blue was designed with the needs of sheet metal contractors in mind. Sheet metal contractors face the challenge of running a construction business while balancing special requirements of a manufacturing organization. With Structure Blue, AIA G702 and G703 forms can be created instantly and automatically be signed, stamped, and emailed, and if the requisition gets cut, you can easily void and reissue a revised AIA with the corrected amount, and Structure Blue will take care of the rest throughout your entire accounting system. Just because you spent 50% of your budget, that doesn't necessarily mean you're halfway done. Report your progress as often as you want by entering % complete, cost to complete, hours to complete, or other ways to reflect the true estimated final cost. Categorize your cost to see where you stand on a particular job. By having the ability to convert sheets to pounds, Structure allows you to track inventory one way and cost it another. Structure integrates with multiple shop floor time collection systems to streamline payroll. For any public jobs you might do, Structure Blue can instantly create certified payroll reports in multiple formats for federal, state, or even municipal jobs. Structure Blue can even produce minority and union reports if required. We also offer the Structure Mobile Suite, bringing you the power of Structure to your mobile device out in the field. Since 1979, CF Data Systems has been helping commercial contractors increase efficiency, improve their business processes, and drive profitability. Are you next?